You cannot predict the future, but you can get ready for it. Your customers are demanding more and more diverse jobs, shorter production time and lower costs in a very competitive market. To meet these challenges, today and in the future, we developed the ultimate end-to-end solution, the BOBST Master DM5. A single press that handles all your jobs from short to long runs, cost-effectively, while increasing your profitability. BOBST Master DM5 is an all-in-one inline label press which optimizes each step of the production process, from optional priming through flexo and digital printing up to embellishment and die cutting. The Master DM5 embodies BOBST's vision, allowing flexibility and versatility by combining BOBST digital printing with BOBST DigiFlexo, the digitalization of analog processes. The native 1200 dpi Mouvent inkjet printing module delivers fine lines, smooth gradients, sharp images and vibrant colors at speeds of up to 100 meters per minute. With 6 colors, you achieve up to 85% of the Pantone colors, so that you can address the most demanding jobs. With 70% opacity white, you can print at up to 45 meters per minute. BOBST's all-in-one digital inkjet printhead with fully integrated inking and electronic circuits delivers consistent operation and reliability and allows easy maintenance with minimal manual intervention. The Master DM5 delivers the highest levels of automation in all digital and DigiFlexo units. With such a high level of automation, the Master DM5 requires just a single operator and produces high-quality labels with exceptional productivity. Automation also delivers on another major advantage: sustainability. The Master DM5 ensures waste reduction. Thanks to the high level of automation and the job change on the fly, and its extremely short web path. The machine is very compact in size, guaranteeing a small footprint in your factory, while the unique compactness of the digital printing module enables easy reposition of the embellishment accessories along the entire press length. Each module on the Master DM5 is fully connected, allowing for effective production management from the client PDF to the finished labels. The modular architecture enables every client to design his own machine. Start with an entry-level configuration and then upgrade capabilities anytime you need to diversify your production in line with the growth of your business. Varnishing, tactile and holographic effects, cold foil glue, UV lamination and other label premiumization solutions. BOBST provides the flexo and digital printing modules and full service assistance for the complete all-in-one, all-in-line solution. You cannot predict the future, but with the BOBST Master DM5, you can certainly reshape it.